About a year and a half ago, I made a video talking about free USPS Ground Advantage supplies. And the reason why I made this video was because I was contacted by somebody at USPS, a higher up, who wanted my input, and they shared this voluntarily with me that 2024 in the fall, somewhere around that time, we would see Ground Advantage boxes. So fall came and went, and no Ground Advantage boxes. Had a lot of people saying, "Oh, you know, just a nothing burger," and you know, where did you get this information? But I have to say, it is happening, and it's not happening mainstream. You actually have to have a Poshmark account, but you can get free Ground Advantage supplies, and I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, I want to thank Jakester out there for giving me the heads up about this. I meant to put out a video yesterday, but I was just so busy that I really didn't have time to do it until now. So here it is. Now, this is a Poshmark thing, so you actually have to have a Poshmark closet, which is not hard to do. You can go get set up even if you're not a Poshmark seller. This is all in coordination with their announcement of new lower shipping fees. So they're lowering their fee. They're not using priority mail anymore, so their shipping fees are going to go from $8.27 to $6.49 for buyers when they buy your item. And I believe that is up to £5 because that's the Poshmark method. You buy an item, the buyer pays for the label, and that label covers up to £5, and anything over that up to £10 is covered by the seller. And I don't know if that's a cap of £10 now that it's Ground Advantage. I haven't looked that far, but that's not the purpose of this video. Here it is. If you need packaging, call 1-800-610-8734 and press 1 to request USPS Ground Advantage supplies. There it is right there. USPS Ground Advantage supplies. Or you can email USPS Poshmark at victorypackaging.com, and you have to give your name, your Poshmark closet name, your mailing address, phone number, and email address. You can order, I believe, 5 or 6 different types of packaging. We'll get to that here in a second. But there it is, guys. You have to get it set up. It's not anything you're going to be able to do without having a Poshmark account. This seems to be an exclusive agreement with Poshmark. Let's see. Looks like calls and emails may be answered by Victory Packaging, an authorized contractor acting on behalf of USPS. The information you provide will be used to confirm you are a Poshmark seller and to fulfill your packaging request. So if we go back, here are the Ground Advantage boxes. And the following USPS Ground Advantage packaging supplies are available for order. And you can get Ground Advantage Box 1 in quantities of 25, minimum of 25. It's a 12 1/4 by 12 by 8.5. Ground Advantage Box 2, again, minimum 25 boxes when you order. 14 7/8 inches by 7 3/8 by 5 1/4. How about a Ground Advantage padded poly envelope? That's 12.5 by 9.5. You can order those in quantities of 10 or more. Ground Advantage poly envelope, 14.5 by 20. Again, 10 or more on that. And then a Ground Advantage paper cushion mailer is a 14 by 17, which is a 50 order minimum. That might be like the Tyvek bags that we're used to with the priority mail. I just threw a bunch of those out, by the way. So that is the news on that, and it's something that you can do. Again, you're going to have to either call or send an email and have a Poshmark closet. So that's the video for today. I just wanted to kind of give everyone an idea of what's happening with these free Ground Advantage boxes. It looks like it's now a Poshmark exclusive thing with USPS. Will these boxes launch mainstream? Maybe at some point. Maybe, you know, after this runs its course in, 6 months to a year, you might see Ground Advantage boxes at your local post office. But until then, even the USPS folks, when you go in, you go into your local post office, they don't know anything about this, and they're going to start seeing these things, right? But currently they don't know about them. I placed my order via email yesterday. I have not received any kind of confirmation. I really don't expect to. I really expect just to receive, these boxes to be showing up in my front door, and it probably will take a week or 2 or 3 or 4 to show up. But this is a real thing. And go over to, I'll put the link down below if you want to go and read it for yourself. And yeah, it's on the Poshmark blogs, and it's a real thing. So comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you appreciate the fact that we take time out of our day to bring you guys up to speed, please consider hitting the like button. And why not subscribe if you appreciate and can use the content that we put out. I want you guys to have an excellent rest of your day, and we will talk to you here very, very soon. Take care.
Chargebacks, returns, and lowball offers too. Barrel takedowns, they're a pain. What can we do? High selling fees, bad buys, and rude buyers galore. Flipping ain't easy, but we keep coming back for more. All resellers are gonna make mistakes. Learn from them and you'll have what it takes. In the world of reselling, we're your guide. With flipping ain't easy, by your side. Sourcing great items is the key to success. Subscribe to the channel and stand above the rest. Focus on the things that are within your control. Hang with flipping ain't easy. Let's roll. Catch the live streams on Mondays and Fridays. Join the Discord community for the parlays. Tune into the podcast Profit Playbooks. The name with Scott and Josh. Flipping's more than a game. All resellers are gonna make mistakes. Learn from them and you'll have what it takes. In the world of reselling, we're your guide. With flipping ain't easy, by your side. Catch the live streams on Mondays and Fridays. Join the Discord community for the parlays. Tune into the podcast Profit Playbooks. The name with Scott and Josh. Flipping's more than a game. All resellers are gonna make mistakes. Learn from them and you'll have what it takes. In the world of reselling, we're your guide. Flipping ain't easy, by your side. Sourcing great items is the key to success. Subscribe to the channel and stand above the rest. Focus on the things that are within your control. Hang with flipping ain't easy. Let's roll. Let's roll. Catch the live streams on Mondays and Fridays. Join the Discord community for the parlays. Tune into the podcast Profit Playbooks. The name with Scott and Josh. Flipping's more than a game. Catch the live streams on Mondays and Fridays. Join the Discord community for the parlays. Tune into the podcast Profit Playbooks. The name with Scott and Josh. Flipping's more than a game. All resellers are gonna make mistakes. Learn from them and you'll have what it takes. In the world of reselling, we're your guide. Flipping ain't easy, by your side.